In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Wix website dashboard. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just getting started with Wix, navigating to the dashboard is a simple yet essential step in managing your site. The dashboard is the central hub where you can oversee your site's performance, adjust settings, and manage your content. So if you're ready, let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you're comfortable and confident in accessing your Wix dashboard. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Wix is compatible with major browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari, so choose whichever one you're most comfortable with. Once your browser is open, type the Wix website address into the URL bar at the top of the screen. Press Enter, and this will take you straight to the Wix homepage or editor, depending on your recent activity. If you're not logged into your account yet, you'll need to do so now. Simply enter your username or email address and your password in the login fields provided. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security, follow the prompts to complete the login process. For those of you who may have forgotten your login details, don't worry. Wix has options to help you recover your account quickly. Once logged in, you'll either land on the Wix homepage or you'll be redirected directly to the editor for the last site you were working on. After logging in, if you're taken into the editor for your website, just pause for a moment to let everything load properly. Now take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You should see the Wix logo prominently displayed there. This logo not only represents the Wix platform, but also serves as a navigation tool to access the dashboard. Click on the Wix logo. When you do, a navigation action will be triggered and you'll be redirected to your Wix dashboard. This might take a few moments, so be patient if the page doesn't load immediately. The dashboard is where you'll find all the tools and options you need to manage your site effectively. From analytics and SEO tools to payment settings and customer data, your dashboard is the control center for your Wix website. Before you move ahead, there's a very important point to keep in mind. If you are making any changes in the Wix editor prior to accessing the dashboard, make sure those changes are saved. Unsaved changes could be lost when you navigate away from the editor. To save your work, look for the Save button, typically located in the upper right corner of the editor, and click it before proceeding. Once you're on the dashboard, here's a helpful tip. Consider bookmarking this page in your browser. Bookmarking the dashboard will allow you to access it instantly in the future without having to go through the editor every time. This is especially useful if you manage multiple sites, or if you frequently need to check your website's stats and settings. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Wix website dashboard. By following these simple steps, you can now easily navigate to the dashboard whenever you need to manage your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.